April 14th, 2012, high-risk day across the central and southern plains. Potential for large, long-track, devastating tornadoes today. The high risk extends all the way from Nebraska into Oklahoma. We're going to try to play on any storm that develops in Oklahoma. There's a lot of question, though, how far south these storms will develop into Oklahoma. The dynamics of the atmosphere are very favorable. If a storm were to develop in Oklahoma, it would come rapidly supercellular, rotating types of thunderstorm, and would have a very high potential to produce a large and devastating tornado. Fill up the gas tank, and we just had a severe thunderstorm warning issued to our west. There's a storm coming up from our southwest. I got the GPS locator on here. That's our position in Woodward. Here's the storm that we're looking at that is down near Arnett, around the Cherokee area. That's tracking off to the northeast, and will likely pass probably just to our west. We may not have to move too far from where we are right now. We'll get a look at the road network. We're going to take State Highway 15 as if we're going to Fargo. It looks like right now the storm will probably stay just to our west as it tracks north-northeast, but should put us in good position to see where the rain-free base will be of this storm and the potential at least for a tornado. Obviously it's got a long ways to go before we get to that point, but we got to put ourselves in that good position right now.
Thunderstorms have developed across parts of western and northern Oklahoma along the sharpening dry line. Conditions along the head of the dry line are very conducive to the development of long-lived supercells capable of producing violent long-track tornadoes.
Definitely got a little wall cloud going, guys. Oh, tornado warning. I'm not seeing much rotation in the wall cloud itself yet. You want to keep going north here, guys? Let's keep going north.
The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area.
Let me get a look at the map again. Yeah. This is going to take us to 281, am I right? No, it's looking good. It's looking a lot better than it was when we were parked back there at that rock road. It's looking really good. And if you look close, you can see the scud rising up into the wall cloud itself. Definite. Just a little cone coming down. Visible from this far away. That's a pretty good distance away. We'll get up here, we're going to take 34 north, and we should be able to get right up to it. I wonder if it's starting to make a right turn, like heading toward Freedom or something. He's going up to get this tornado.
This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas.
Storm builds up and it gets kind of pushed back. Upper level winds are probably at over 100 miles an hour. It's rising so fast that the storm clouds are actually getting pushed back against that 100 mile per hour wind. That tells you the power that these storms have. Tremendous structure with this storm. Very organized.
The warning has moved out of the warned area. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and holding. Stay away from doors and windows.
Look at the size of those hailstones.
A tornado warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Hopper and extreme north-central Woodward counties. At 3:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado.
There's baseballs in there.
This dangerous storm was...
We're on the storm that's now coming into Freedom, Oklahoma. We're going to have to ease in on the back side of it. We just came through an area about about 20 minutes ago where there had been golf ball to baseball size hail on the ground, so we're going to have to be very careful as we approach from the western side of the storm. We can't just jump right into it. We could get into the hail core, and the circulation is actually still off to our south and east, and they're getting reports now of brief tornadoes with the storm. I don't see any hail here yet. I think we may eventually want to just let this one go, guys, to be honest with you. I think trying to keep up with it is going to be nearly impossible. A thunderstorm that popped up right along the Oklahoma and Texas state line, the Texas Panhandle state line. Very strong storm, became rapidly severe, and just felt like this was going to be our next storm to chase. So we've dropped south out of Freedom, Oklahoma. We're heading south to Moreland, and the storm that we decided to go after has just become tornado warned. It's tracking off to the northeast at 50 miles per hour. Right now the circulation is 5 miles southeast of Arnett, and if it continues that northeast track, it would basically come right up to where our location currently is. So it looks like we may have made the right choice, at least as of right now, to stick into Oklahoma and maybe go after this storm that's to our south.
Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows.
We decided to pull off here. We're south of Moreland, Oklahoma on Highway 50. Getting a little bit of hint here of the rain-free base. There's still a lot of rain and probably some hail falling between us and the base, but we got at least a little bit of a hint. If you look right at the horizon, I know the fence there might be somewhat blocking your view, but you can kind of see how it's a little lighter right along the tree line. Up here to the clouds that are coming in from the south and east, strong sign of inflow here. You can see the clouds being drawn in to this supercell. Rapidly rising scud. I was trying to figure out exactly where the center was. This thing might try, guys. Actually, it's in the process of trying right now. Due west of our location, probably what, 2 or 3 miles? There's actually, if you look, there's actually a hint of rotation in that rising scud. Tremendous. You can see there's actually rotation in that. You can see the rotation in it. And did you notice it started picking up when the rain started wrapping around the back side here? It really started going. I can feel the strong inflow.
We need to go, tell me.
No, we're good. We're fine right here. It's wrapping up. The wind, I think, is picking up. Inflow's picking up. Okay, this scud's gonna get drawn right up in there. Watch this. It's rotating, yeah. It's starting to pick up a bit. Watch the scud. There it goes. Look, it's literally gonna get sucked right up in there. That would certainly qualify as a wall cloud right there. We just saw the formation of a wall cloud. Now the only thing is, will it tighten enough to get a funnel and a tornado to form? We're gonna go ahead and go a little north here. I don't want to get too far behind it because, as we saw in the last storm, these are very difficult to keep up with, so we'll get a little closer. Still haven't had anything tighten up to get an actual funnel. Okay, we'll pull off up here a little bit.
I was gonna say we're at about what, about a mile?
Probably about a mile. Took us forever, but we finally got one, guys. Okay, here we go. Right there. Ooh. There it is. Got a new mezzo forming on it too.
You're out?
Wow, that's pretty far away. We got twins! Rapidly rotating wall cloud here. That is, without question, most spin we've had in a wall cloud all day. Look at that, you can just see it rotating. Violent rotation in the wall cloud. This thing may produce again.
7:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated.
Here it goes. Here it goes, guys. I'll park it. I think it's going to touch.
60 miles an hour.
It's touching.
This storm was located 12 miles northwest of Acres and moving northeast at 65 miles an hour.
There it goes.
65 has been kicked. Counties.
That's definitely down. Tornado. Wow. Clear view through here. Oh my goodness. Huge tornado. Wow. Can you believe that? Oh my God. Stovepipe. Stovepipe. This could be a violent tornado, guys. This could be a violent tornado. Oh my. Oh my gosh. This could be really bad, guys. This might try to go long track. Twin tornadoes. It has. Oh my gosh.
3 or just 2?
I think it's just 2. Can you believe that? This is Cherokee. That's the new mezzo up here. That's obviously the old one, which is still going, kind of roping out now. But the new mezzo, new wall cloud, is that lead one up there. Yeah, this one's roping out. The original stovepipe's now beginning really to thin out, rope out. looking. Look at that rope. Look at that rope. That is absolutely fantastic. Look at that rope tornado. Oh my gosh. Wall cloud. Thankfully the tornado on that, oh, there it went. Just like that. Oh my gosh. I hope that's north of town. I think it might be. Oh my. We're driving right to it.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. We are in Cherokee, going down Highway 64 to the north, and wall cloud and tornado right in front of us. Right, we're looking right down Highway 64 in Cherokee, looking right at a tornado right now.
It's on the ground.
No, it's definitely on the ground. I just hope it's north of town.
Me too.
I hope it's, you know, not hitting anything. Oh my God. I mean, we're in the heart of Cherokee right now, and we've got a tornado due north of town. Stovepipe tornado. It's going to be backlit by lightning whenever the lightning flashes. Is there two of them? I think there's two.
Oh, you got a little damage here. Power pole.
Oh, there's no way we're getting across, guys.
Ah, I see it. I just need to see if I see it on camera.